I don't feel like she's mine enough. God, I feel I couldn't have you.
Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we have the off-white Zoom Fly in the Tulip pink colorway. And as you guys know, this is the most recent off-white Nike sneaker to release. They came out on November 28th, so a couple days ago. I was able to cop them on the Nike sneakers app. Not a huge fan of this colorway, honestly. It's really bright, it's out there. The only thing I do like on it is the Nike swoosh. I think this is one of the better looking Nike swooshes we've seen in an off-white sneaker. But overall, this is probably my least favorite off-white Nike to come out. After the orange Mercurial Zoom Flies that came out, just not a big fan of the pink colorway. However, I do think it is a really great color as a women's sneaker. It's just a little too bright for me, but I could see a lot of people rocking them, and I do think the hype on these is going to go up and the prices are going to go up over time. Just a quick note, these were super limited. Rumor has it around 27 to 30,000 pairs, so that's like about half of what most of the other off-whites that have been releasing are, which go around like 50 to 55,000 pairs. So definitely you guys can see how limited these are. But right now resale is not too high, and I'm gonna get into a detailed breakdown of this sneaker and you guys can judge off yourself. Again, in my opinion, I'm not a huge fan of these. Alright, so let's get into a close-up detailed review of these off-white Zoom Flies. First thing I'll show you guys is the box. We have the regular off-white Nike swoosh box, as you can see, and then let's get into the label. It says the 10 Nike Zoom Fly, size 10.5. The colorway on it is Tulip Pink Racer Pink. And the suggested retail on these shoes is 170 USD. Getting a better look at the sneaker, so you guys can see we have a translucent upper on the top going all throughout the sneaker. And then we have the baby sky blue off-white zip tie. It says off-white Nike 2018 zip tie. And then with the shoes, there's pink laces on it, but also comes with black laces with these peach slash orangish writing on it. I like these laces a lot. Honestly, these are my favorite off-white laces. Now the entire sneaker is pink, but it's definitely different shades of pink. So this is like more of a lighter pink. Here it gets like a deeper shade of pink, and then the line going across is like a different shade than that. It's like a lighter shade, kind of like the Nike swoosh. The Nike swoosh is like this hot pink slash red colorway. It's really nice. I think if they put this on like a black pair of off-whites, it'd look really clean. That's just my opinion. And then the orange part of the sneaker, here we have a little orange tab that comes with all the off-white Nikes. And then we have foam written in black right here near the heel area. And then moving on to the back, we have a pink pull tab going all the way up. On the medial side, we have off-white written in black. You guys have a better look at that. Off-white for Nike, Nike Zoom Fly. And then we have like the diagonal stripes there, once again in pink. And then getting into the outsole, all pink Nike Zoom outsole. I mean, these really pop in hand. I don't like them too much, but they definitely do pop. They'll turn a lot of heads, honestly. And then getting into the tongue, we have a pink tongue going all the way up until the Nike logo at the top. That says Nike Sportswear with an orange swoosh. And then getting into the insole of the sneaker, once again, all pink. The pink theme continues. So it's the off-white arrows, and it says the 10. So getting into the other shoe, once again, same concept, says off-white for Nike on the medial side. And then once we turn it around, so I mean, they look a lot better in hand than in pictures, that's for sure. In the pictures, I definitely hated these sneakers. In hand, I mean, the contrast between the pink colorways and the amount it pops is really cool. And like, again, this Nike swoosh is just really nice. This is one of my favorite Nike swooshes, hands down. I just wish they put this on another off-white sneaker, because that'll look really dope. I don't really plan on wearing these, honestly. It's just not for me. And But if you guys like them, again, as you guys can see with the white paper inside right now, so with white or black socks, and if you can mix it up with some other like maybe light blue socks to look like a South Beach colorway, so I could see how that would work out. Overall, you know, pair of off-white, I'm just glad I got them for retail. You guys a final 360 look at these sneakers. Yeah, so there's a view of the Nike Off-White Zoom Flies in the Tulip pink colorway. Once again, not a huge fan of these. However, I can see some people rocking them. I like the black pair that's coming out a lot more, and hopefully I'll be able to grab that for retail. Those have been postponed to December 14th. So if I can't get them for retail, I'll probably end up trading these for the black pair. So if you guys like this video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more. It goes a long way. And as always, thank you guys for watching and stay tuned until next time.